Our society has a lot of problems. From war to famine, people have been constantly struggling in this world to create a better future for themselves and those who come after them. One of the biggest problems we have is the infrastructure of our country. A lot of the bridges and roads we have were built over 50 years ago and are ready to fall apart at any time. However, rebuilding these infrastructures create a large impact on the environment, as the production and cost of making these materials to rebuild the infrastructure will cost a lot and create a lot of pollution. Roads and bridges are especially priority for us, as millions of vehicles drive across them every day, and transportation is a very important part of our everyday lives. Because of this, as a group, we decided to focus on these parts of our infrastructure.
We started off by doing research and finding different recycled durable materials that would help rebuild the broken down roads and bridges. Then we drew models of what we wanted to do and started constructing a replica of a bridge made entirely from recycled materials. We used popsicle sticks to represent steel beams from recycled steel to form the bridge. The black with white specks represents plasphalt, which is asphalt mixed with different types of recycled plastic like thermoset plastics, PVC, and high-density polypropylene and polystyrene. The plastic replaces the rock aggregate part of the asphalt, a harmful material to the environment due to it being mined, which leads to the removal of virtually all natural vegetation, topsoil, and subsoil in the quarries to reach the aggregate underneath the ground.
Our bridge would be cost-friendly and use fewer natural resources since it uses recycled items and reduces production of materials like steel, concrete, and plastic. This also helps keep pollutants out of the air and water, since fewer production items means less carbon dioxide released. When thermal energy is produced by friction from the wheels of a car and road, the plastic from the plasphalt helps retain thermal energy, therefore resulting in less destruction over time.
Using our innovative technologies for infrastructure creation, the world will advance to reduce costs, use fewer natural resources, decrease the energy requirements, and clean up air and water. The difference between our infrastructure and the others is that ours is more durable and can last longer than the other structures. Overall, the construction of our foundation is more beneficial to our society by reducing costs, using fewer natural resources, decreasing energy requirements, and cleaning up air and water, while having an environmentally friendly solution to our constant struggle of a greater society.